What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video, and I'm here to talk to you about my first 48 hours with the OnePlus 8. Now, this phone, from a size standpoint, let's start with that, is something that I'm getting used to. It's pretty much the same size of an iPhone, but I think the slim build has given me this small phone feeling, and I'm not a small phone type of user, but at the same time I am getting used to the form factor, and overall I am thoroughly enjoying this phone. Now, this is a very slippery phone, so I got some cases on the way in, so be on the lookout for some case videos, but that is a must for those who own whether the Pro or the regular OnePlus 8. The display is beautiful, but the 90 Hz refresh rate will kick and hurt the battery. There's times where you have to pick and choose when you want to use the 90 Hz refresh rate. There's times where I kick it into 60 Hz, and I use that to save and conserve a little bit more battery energy. The type of battery time I've been getting, it's hard to measure that now because of the times that we're in, but based on me just being around the home using it, I'm getting about 4.5-5 hours battery time, so it's good. Plus the 30-watt fast charge, it kind of makes up for maybe the battery lacking from other previous phones, but for the most part I'm pretty happy with the battery life on the phone. As far as the cameras itself, the system, the Sony sensors that they got in that camera are all from the 7 Pro. The OnePlus 8 can't be put in the conversation of best cameras. The 8 Pro could possibly make that argument, but the regular 8 is pretty much in that next level, from anywhere between 10. It could probably crack a top 10. It's possible, but like any other phone, when you got perfect conditions, the phone produces, but the minute you kind of put that phone in a little situation where it's poor lighting or something of that nature, that's when you start seeing the flaws with the camera. Stereo speakers, they're on point. Any stereo speakers is a plus for me on the phone. The skin, man, Oxygen OS by far is one of my favorite overlays on Android. So with that being said, I am thoroughly happy with Oxygen OS. The theming, it's gotten a lot better on the phone. The customization has gotten more better. So overall, it's a major goal with that. But again, like I said, it's only been 48 hours with the phone. I'm going to have to run some more tests, take some more pictures and what have you, and do some more things, and I could probably give you a better assessment. But being that it's only been a couple of days, I'm just letting you know my initial feelings on just playing around with the phone, and thoroughly I am enjoying myself with the phone. Is it a contender for phone of the year? No. The price takes it out of that competition. Dave 2D did an interesting video, and he made an interesting point that this phone is priced a little too high in the United States. This phone is priced at a good point in India and other countries. It's priced almost $100 cheaper. It is $100 cheaper than what is priced over here. And if it had that same price, you can get a little bit more bang for the buck. But at the same time, the price kind of puts you at that point where you're looking at it, and if you're comparing the features, you're going to be pretty much saying, well, maybe if I maybe wait a week or two longer and I can save up, I can go up to the 8 Pro. But I really see this phone having more value as time goes on. We all know over time some of these phones do get a little discounted. They go on sale, BOGOs, what have you. And the thing about OnePlus, they show their value further down the road. The OnePlus 8, I think the price kind of hinders it from being more successful, because I can deal with a lot of the things they don't put in the phone, but at the same time, that price point, you should be getting a little bit more than what they're actually offering you. So that pretty much does it. like I said, it's my first 48 hours with the phone. I really I want to spend more time with it. Again, it is a great phone. It is a great pickup, but for the most part, like I said, it's the price. So that's pretty much does it for the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.